Okay, everybody, this is Scott and Jen Snyder. Scott and Jen are running a single DC level 2 8-inch subwoofer. Running about 1,200 watts on it, I believe you said. Okay, so we're going to see with a single 8. We'll do it with this big Explorer. Seal up the dashboard.
Oh man, that's perfect. That one there, one there. Integrate behind it.
Okay, his first run, you can see where the meter is. It's in the center of the windshield, right from the dash. Okay, windows and doors have to be rolled up. Return the meter so everybody can see it. Scott, whenever you're ready. All right, here you go. Hold on, Scott.
You turn it on.
No, it was on. It just for some reason All right, it should be good now. I don't know why it froze like that.
It's cold.
Damn term lab. No problem. You can take a second to turn it back up. That was our fault. Term lab froze up. Imagine that. Yeah. Scott and Jen are also part of Team Pulse as well. Yeah. 143.8. Remember, that's a single 8, guys and girls.
Beautiful.
It's up? Or you went down?
It does a 44, but it's pumping 3 times.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Ain't nobody saying all that. We're trying to kick now. 143.8 in the first run. Everybody give him a round of applause. Now Scott's going to try his second run in the kick panel. This is Scott and Jen Snyder with Team Pulse. Single 8. It's a DC level 2. And we got a 144.4. That's crazy. A single 8, guys. Single 8. Good job. This is going to be his first run sealed in the dash. Brent is also part of Team Pulse, and he's actually from Express Tech Computers in Salisbury. They're the ones that are actually donating from the trophy for Best of Show. So the big tall trophy inside, thank him for that. Are you ready, Brent? Here's your first run sealed on the dash. See what you got. Go ahead. .3.
Beautiful.
Still the same, 146.3. You good with that? All right. 146.3 still on the dash.
It's gonna go.
good with that? All right, everybody give him a round of applause. Single 12, 149.
Who's up next?
When you pull in, make sure you put your car in park, or if you have a 5-speed, put it in neutral, and pull your e-brake on, okay? Please, just for safety reasons. Don't want to see somebody get hurt. All right, Nick Cherry with Team Deadly Hertz. Nick is running a single level 4 DC 15.
Can't remember his name.
His amp, nobody knows. I think it's a power acoustic something or another.
Yeah. Gothic.
Gothic series power acoustic? Okay. All right, Nick, you ready in there? All right, go ahead, Nick. Show us what you got. .3. 143.5. It's going up. 144.2. Still holding it at 144.2. 44.4. He's giving her everything she's got at 144.4 so far. Are you happy with that, Nick? All right, everybody give him a round of applause. 144.4. Alright, this is going to be Nick Cherry's second run in the kick panel this time. Remember, Nick is with Team Deadly Hertz. Single DC level 4, 15. Let's see what Nick is doing today in the kick. You ready, Nick? Go ahead, buddy. 144.5. 144.6. 47. 144.8. 44.9. 45.2. 145.2 dB. 145.2. Nick, are you happy with that? All right, everybody. Good job, Nick. Next up, we have Will. And now we have Will Bonneville. He's running a single Orion HCCA 15. Like I said, he is running a single Orion HCCA 15 with an Orion 5000. He is part of Team Will. Ready when you are? Go ahead. 141. Still holding it at 141. .141 dB. Are you happy with that, Will? You're not happy with it? But you're gonna take it, right? All right.
What did you say that it's on the out? Yeah, it's happy. You're not happy with it? Is there an option?
141? Jeff?
Jess, 141. All right, now he's gonna try to kick. You're allowed to open your windows and doors on this one. Remember, this is a single 15-inch Orion HCCA with an Orion 5000. Go ahead. 141.8. Still holding at a 41.8. Are you happy with that? Not happy with it, but you're gonna take it, right? 141.8, everybody give him a round of applause for Will. Who's up next?
You break on?
Pretty good until you get to 32.
I say go.
Ask him if the car seat hurts.
Okay, we have Angelo Matthews here. He's got a single 18. He's gonna see what he can do. You ready, Angelo? Go ahead, buddy. 143.3. Still holding at a 143.3.
He needs a new box, man.
143.3. It still has not changed. Are you happy with that? All right, he's gonna stay at a 143.3. Okay, Angelo's first run was a 143.3 sealed on the dash. Now he's going to try it in the kick panel. He's allowed to open his windows and doors on this run. We're going to see what he can do. You ready, Angelo? All right, go ahead. Show us what that 18 can do. 144.9. 145.1. 145.2. Nick jumping in and landing a hand there. Yeah, there we go. Let's see some more people off and about. 145.2 and holding. Man, he's putting his feet on the wall and everything. All right, 145.2. Everybody give Angelo a round of applause. All right, this is Grant. Grant's running a single Digital Designs 3515, and he's running a titanium power 2000 watt amp. We're gonna see what he can do today, okay? Are you ready, Grant? Go ahead. $140.8, 141.4, 141.8, 41.9. Well, he got a 42.1 now. Still holding it at 142.1, 42.5. Watch your RPMs there, Grant. 142.5. Time 142.5. Everybody give Grant a round of applause. Got 142.5, Jess? Alright, this is Grant's second run in the kick panel. He's at a 41.7 right now. Still holding. Grant's at 41.8 now. .143.3. 143.6. 143.9. Holding at 144.3. Time 144.3. Everybody give Grant a round of applause. Team Grant. Okay, Taylor is up now. He's with part of Team Hard Knocks. Taylor's running an FI single 18-inch BTL. Okay, and he's also running a Hyphonics 1200 watt amp set. Let's see what he can do. 1200 watts and single 18. Are you ready? Go ahead. So far, this is the loudest score of the day, a 0.
He rolls hard.
145.6. 145.6 and holding. He's actually playing music, not tunes. It's harder to do that. So far, Brent's still holding with the loudest score so far at a 149 with a single 12. Nice score for Taylor, a 145.6. Single 18-inch FI and 1200 watts. You can open the door on this run, and now he's in the kick panel. Are you ready? Show us what you got. Will he break a 149? Let's see if he can do it. 147. Still holding at a 147. They're rocking the truck, shaking the truck. Still holding at a 147. You good with that? Great score, 147 dB for Taylor. With the Audio Q 3500 watt amp. Let's see what he can do. Are you ready, Cole? Go ahead. 144.1.
What? Yeah, that was low as shit.
Amp go and protect.
Yeah.
Give him a second to get it back on there.
Oh, he didn't have to do it on the frequency.
It was awful low there.
Yeah, what else? 32 hertz, not lower.
Insert Jeopardy theme song. 146.2 for 146.4. He's still going up. 46.9. 147.2. 147.4. He's still going up. We're gonna wait till he stops. 47.9. 148. 148.1. Are you good with that score? 148.1. Okay, so sealed under dash, both got a 148.1, Let's see if you can beat a 149 and beat Brent out. You ready? All right, let's see what Colton's got. Watch on your two RPMs. RPMs. Time, 150.1 for Colton, the first one over at 150 for the day.
All I was right. It's an American car. Now I said all I do was rice. It's an American car.
Okay, some of you guys know this car. This is the Boswell DDB. It's part of Team Pulse. As you can see, we got some Team Pulse members running for them today. Gary, outside, Matt's on the inside, and we also have Team Pulse member Nick Garcia on the roof. With Joe. Alright, you guys ready? See what we can get out of this. XO15.
Good.
Whenever you're ready, go ahead. 57. Did I mention the DDC is actually louder than that?
It's awesome.
And the Z is louder.
He's like, oh.
Z is louder than that.
I was down. Oh, did it
You got it on video, right? No, that still recording or pause? Recording. So you're recording something? Pretty much.
Did the mic fall?
Here, let me get your nostrils. That's the only reason he's in there is because the meter keeps falling off.
All right. As you can tell, that's the highest so far of the day at 157. We're going to try it again now. This is the second run. You notice we keep the doors shut on this one. We do everything sealed up. Whenever you're ready, Gary. 154.6 on the second run. Give it one more roll here.
I don't like this jack. Come on.
Okay, held at 154.6. 154.6.
Nice. Do it. I told him to 153 when he went in. That's all.